Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on Honor Magic 7 Lite. So firstly, open up Google Wallet. If you don't have it installed by default, because I'm not sure if it is installed, just go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar, and install Wallet. Now just open the app. Then tap on Add Wallet in the bottom right corner. Select loyalty card. Now choose from which company you would like to add the loyalty card. Then either scan the barcode or enter your member's ID manually by tapping on Enter Manually in bottom right corner. Then enter your member ID here. Close down the keyboard and tap on Add to Wallet. And that is going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.